Hi guys, welcome back to Summer Rain channel. For today's episode, we are celebrating the 128th Philippine Independence here in the Philippine Embassy, Lebanon, with the theme Kalayaan, Kinabukasan at Kasarinlan. And later in the Migrant Workers Office, another celebration, the Migrant Workers Day. And we are cordially invited with the rest of some Filipino community leaders who are elegantly flaunting our beautiful national costumes. Tunay ngang maipagmamalaki ang ating pambansang mga kasuotan kung saan stands out ang mga binibini sa kanilang modern Filipiniana dresses, while kagalang-galang naman ang mga Ginoo sa kanilang barong Tagalog. And present also are Filipino Jesuit priests, Father Henry Ponce S.J. And what an amazing way to welcome in Lebanon, Father Lito Ocon S.J., who is here on a mission.
Kung natin magpiniwang ang kasandaan at 28 anibersaryo ng Deklarasyon ng Kalayaan ng Pilipinas. Inaanyayahan ko kayong lahat ang marang sa ating matawag na dahil ang kanang kamay sa ating dibdib at sabay-sabay awitin kung sa awit ng Pilipinas.
Then the program continues with a panunumpa ng ating panatang makabayan and a video message from our Philippine President.
Now, we again proudly and boldly proclaim our freedom and independence as a nation. Let this day be a reminder that everything we possess and enjoy is a precious inheritance entrusted by those who came before us. Mabuhay ang ating kalayaan, mabuhay ang sambayan ng Pilipino, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Followed right after are the messages from different department heads, starting with our DIF Secretary's message and our Philippine Ambassador to Lebanon, Marlouis Miranda, to the honor of relaying it. While MWO Labor Attaché Mr. Adam Musa read the message from DMW Secretary. And lastly, our Welfare Officer, Ms. Windalyn Marquez, delivered a message from our OWA Administrator.
Today, we honor the sacrifice, patriotism, and magnanimous spirit of the founders of the Filipino nation. We remember the women and men who bravely stood their ground and despite the odds, fought to secure the hard-earned freedom and dignity of every Filipino. Mapagpalayang araw ng kasarinlan, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas, mabuhay ang Pilipino.
The Department of Migrant Workers, ang tahanan ng Overseas Filipino Workers, ang diwan ng kalayaan nito ay isa sa buhay namin. Sa aming tungkulin na pangangalagaan ang kapakanan, karapatan at dignidad ng ating mga Overseas Filipino Workers, saan man sila naroon sa mundo. Ang ating mga Overseas Filipino Workers ay buhay na simbolo ng tapang, sipag at pag-asa sa bawat barko, ospital, tahanan, paaralan, construction site, opisina at iba pang lugar ng trabaho sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo.
Ngayong araw ng kalayaan, naway magsilbi itong paalala na ang tunay na diwa ng pagiging Pilipino ay makikita sa ating pagkakaisa, malasakit sa kapwa at pagmamahal sa bayan. Mabuhay ang Pilipinong may puso para sa bayan, mabuhay ang sabayanang Pilipino.
What an inspiring messages we just heard from our respective head of state through their representatives. Each word cuts deep. Indeed, words are mightier than a sword. Today's commemoration both honors our fallen heroes who fought for our independence, whom we owed our freedom today, and for us, the modern-day heroes. And on behalf of our co-overseas Filipino workers, as modern-day heroes, we are humbly touched of the recognition given on our valued contribution to our beloved country. Being one should remain grounded, for such title embodies responsibility. With a heart full of compassion, driven to help others, courageous, has moral integrity, who stands up on what is right and refuses to compromise. What the minimal commemoration of our Philippine independence we have here today, but still ended beautifully. And the refreshment with our very own kakanin simply sum it all. Thank you to all who generously shared all this samtus kakanin. It truly feels like home.
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Laban niyo sa Lebanon! Mabuhay! 128th Independence Day! Mabuhay Pilipinas! Now going to the next level.
Next level.
Next level ka ba? Mabuhay! Thank you! Philippine Embassy! Mabuhay! Thank you! Thank you!
So guys, we already have enough energy to move on to the second celebration, which is the Migrant Workers Day. We are now heading in the Migrant Workers Office, the tahanan ng mga OFW sa Lebanon. Diba ang saya-saya, doble ang selebrasyon. Joining also is our Philippine Ambassador to Lebanon, Marlui Miranda.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Migrant Workers Office or MWO Lebanon, it is my pleasure to welcome everyone to this meaningful event that we have today, the 128th Philippine Independence Day and Migrant Workers Day. Today we gather not only to commemorate the courage and sacrifices of our heroes who fought for our nation's freedom, but also we are here today to honor the contributions of our overseas Filipino workers. Kayo po yun, mga ma'am and sir. Our modern day heroes for your dedication and resilience that continue to uplift our country as well as our families. So today, let us celebrate with pride, unity, and gratitude.
Magandang hapon na Excellency Ambassador Marlon Miranda, our honorary consul from Finland, the rest of the personalities, Windy, sa lahat ng ating mga kabayan nandito sa hapong ito on Friday the 12th. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta rito. Today, we commemorate the independence of the Philippine independence, 128. At the same time, also the 31st anniversary of the signing of the Republic Act in 1842, an act that creates many offices and services and that promotes the welfare of the overseas and protect the rights of the overseas Filipino workers.
We continue to commit our services to you 24/7.
And hopefully there will be OEC for everybody so that you'll be able to visit your families also. Nakikita nyo, meron tayong mga paligsahan, actually parang laro-laro lang, just to show to the community how we fare in Lebanon and what are we doing. It is ang title niya, Kwenta ng Kwento sa Litrato.
Happy Migrant Workers Day para sa ating lahat. Salamat sa pagdalo. Sana wala nang tutukan para tuloy-tuloy ang ating activities.
Salamat, Labor Secretary Adam Sir. Thank you very much everyone sa pagdalo niyo muli dito sa kasiyahan natin ngayong hapon.
Dun sa nabanggit ni Labat Adam, tungkol dun sa inyong pagbabakasyon, totoo po yun na meron pong kaming niluluto na paraan para po kayo ay matulungan namin na sa wakas makapagbakasyon kung yun po ay salamat. Maligayang na arawan na kalayahan sa inyo lahat.
And since it's Migrant Workers Day, the MWO Lebanon has this kwenta at kwento sa litrato. Yes guys, may patimpalak po sa pamamagitan ng isinumiting mga larawan kung saan makikita ang tunay na sakripisyo, malasakit at pagmamahal nating OFWs na handang gawin ang lahat at mangarap para sa kinabukasan ng mga pamilyang naiwan sa ating bayang sinilangan. And congratulations to the winners! Indeed, ang kani-kanilang kwento inspires us all. Having said that, everyone can can still continue to send their entries and will be posted to their new Facebook page, Tahanan ng OFW sa Lebanon. Please follow and share so they can cater all of our kababayans that needs their valued services.
So now our new Facebook page is Tahanan ng OFWs 11. So, yung tagline po kasi ng DMW is Tahanan ng OFWs. Department of Migrant Workers, yung po yung departamento ng para sa mga migranting manggagawa. At ang nanalo sa patimpalak na ito na ang kwento ko sa litrato ay si Tres Maria! For $300. And of course, meron po matatanggap ng $200. So at this point, magkakaroon tayo ng mga performances.
And the celebration continues by showcasing our very own national songs and dance and performing it on an international stage, proudly showing our heritage, our pride, our culture to a much broader audience. Pagbubuhat man ng bangko kung maituturing, but we can't help it. Talentado talaga tayong mga Pinoy. At hindi rin nagpahuli ang ating singing priest, Father Henry Ponce SJ, as today's special guest.
Para sa mga nanungulila, puso kong ito ngayon lumisan ka sa buhay ko. Makita ko damdamin at tibok ng puso mo. Sana yakapin mo ako muli kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit. Wala pa
That will be all for today's Araw ng Kalayaan 2026 and Migrant Workers Day, a simple yet memorable celebration for the security situation of our host country Lebanon is still volatile. But because it is in our blood, mula sa ating mga ninunong bayani, nananalaytay ang tapang, sipag at tiyaga, we are resilient. We can stand the test of time. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay connected, stay safe, and God bless us all.